of name is build your agentic AI, build your own agents using Creo AI. And before going to that, tell me one thing. Question number 1. Voice is clear? Say yes. No. Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no, which means many people are saying this. Many people says yes. And those who are saying no, a quick check. Can you please check your volume? Check your volume settings. First of all. And second thing is check your internet connection. Check your internet connection. Now, regular class is a class, right? This is at home. Okay. Their setup is different and this setup is different. But I will give one more try. I will just change the settings again. 1 minute. Now, can you please confirm the chat? Pitch is slowing, increasing, sir, once across. No. Yeah. Again, some people are those who are saying that not good. Now they are saying good. Okay. Thanks. Thank you so much. Now better. Yeah. So this is gone. Like that. Hello. Then we can start. Before going to that, the agenda is 15 minutes. We will learn what is agentic AI, how it is different, how it's different from our regular generative AI models. Now better, right? Rishi? Yeah. Now, how that agentic AI works? What are the components? What are the components? What are the components and use cases? Before going to that, just opening the PPT. Yeah. So agentic AI, the simple definition is agentic AI refers to the AI systems that operate with autonomously and decision-making capabilities. So again, I'm telling that agentic AI refers to AI systems that operate with autonomously and decision-making. So what is that meaning is, generally take a human being. A human being can take the data, he can understand the situation, and he can able to perform some actions, also he can able to take the decision, take the decisions. This is we already know, because we are all human beings, so we already know this is we can able to do. Now how about the same thing, a machine can take the data, can understand the situation, can able to perform the actions, can able to take the decisions, and that is called your agentic AI. Now, instead of human being, now the same story, I am writing a machine. What if, what if a machine, a machine can take the data, can understand the situation, and can able to perform the actions, and can able to take the decisions, and that is called as agentic AI. Everyone is clear the idea now? What is the definition of agentic AI now? Simply, everyone. Very good. Now, when agentic AI works, here the human intervention is very, very less. Without any human intervention. So without here the goal is without without requiring without requiring step by step human intervention. Human intervention. So there's no human being intervention here. There's so many use cases, and one of the best use cases is your self-driving cars. What does the self-driving car mean? Self-driving, whenever you are taking the self-driving car, whenever you are driving the car, you will take the data. Here, data means what? When you're traveling on the road, you will observe the trees, you will observe the road, you will observe the human beings, you will observe the pedestrians, you will observe the another vehicles. That is the data is going into your mind, and you will understand the situation when you want to apply the brake, and when you want to increase the speed, when you want to decrease the speed, and when you want to take the turn, when you don't want to take the turn, and you will perform the actions. You can perform the actions. If anything happened in the middle, you can take the quick decisions. So this is how is happening. The same thing in the self-driving car. Also, the AI machine can do that is called without driver. Without driver. Yes, Sandeep. Like there is always a pros and cons will be available. Yes, exactly. Human being intervention here not available, but while definitely this is developed by whom? Human being only, na? This is in the starting stage now. This is in the starting stage, which means everything under our control only. As now everything under our control only. But when we develop, after development, we'll not focus much. So it is in the still starting stage only, na. So maybe hope in the next few years that the completely will come. Same like government subsidiary companies kind of thing. Very good. So that is the definition here that we have seen. Now you got the idea, and you have seen that Siri bots. Hello Siri. When I say the Siri can able to call from to other person, able to open the loudspeaker, and the Siri can send response. Sometimes it can read my messages, but it not able to do summary. It will not able to give me the ideas. What can I do? That Siri cannot do. But in the future, the Siri can do. If you ask the Siri that, hey Siri, I got this message. Can you please read and understand and tell me what action I can perform on this? Then Siri can able to give that. Not only that, the Siri can able to send the information to that other person also. That will come in the future. This is all called we call agentic technologies. So here, like I told it, always whenever you want to learn anything, you should observe how a human being performing the task. A human being performing the task, that is only we are making as a artificial intelligence systems. So a machine is working same exact replica on a human being. So that is called autonomous, operates without human intervention, goal oriented, working towards achieve the predefined objectives. Predefined objective means what here? There are so many people are there. Suppose financial advisors are there. Financial advisors are there. Financial advisors are there. Health advisors are there. Health advisors. Health advisors are available. Maybe travel advisors are available. Travel advisors. Real estate advisors are available. Real estate. Real estate. And we call financial agent. Yes, ma, I will provide the notes. Now, financial agents, and health agents, health agents. Similarly, travel advisors, that's called travel agents, travel agents. Now, real estate advisors, so it's also called real estate agents. So, your advisors is nothing but your human being. The human being, whatever this task is doing, that become what happened now? Agent. So, every agent has a specific goal. Every agent has a specific goal. Now, adaptability, like a human being can learn adaptability. Suppose just I ask you, those who are saying that voice is very low, you can increase the volume. You are adapting the situation. You are increasing your volume yourself. You are doing exactly, situation responsibility, and then you are taking the decision making, real time decision based on the data. Also, will always do the self learning process, and this is the key features of agentic AI. And yeah, decision making very important. Now you see perception. What is why you are doing? Why? What is the main thing? How you are started working? Because data is very important. If any machine learning algorithms, any machine learning, any deep learning algorithms, or any NLP algorithm, or any AI models, the main source is what? Data. We need data. That's all. We need data. You give me data. You give me data. I will provide the insight. I will provide the insight. That's all. I will provide the insight. I will provide the insight. But agents require real-time data. Agents require what generally? Agents require always have need real-time data, not is the old data. Suppose you are going that you want to buy a home, you want to buy a home, you want to buy a house, you want to buy a house. Now you need to go to the real estate agent. Now real estate agent, now current situation, you need to say approximately 1 crore rupees for 3 BHK flat. Suppose he's saying that. Now this is a old one. Now where you are getting 1 crore rupee for 3 BHK flat, other than in the tier 1 cities, wherever you go, Pune or Bangalore or wherever it is. And when you want the hotspot, it more than increase. Suppose you want to go to the travel advisor. Now you want to travel to the New York, suppose. Now New York, what is the flight charge? You can't get the old flight charge. Now you want to pay today. What is the flight charge? You want to buy some gold. The gold also today price will be changed, updated. So that is a database will be very important. Data is real time data. Now planning. Now same exactly. Now why will go for agents generally? Why will go for agents? Why will reach the agents? Why will reach the agents generally? Because the agent, the corresponding field agent, he or she knows very well, very well how system works, how system works, how system works, and they can us guidely, they can guide us, they can guide us very well, step by step, step by step. That's why we'll reach the agents mainly wherever you go. Suppose you want to go to the insurance agent, we can buy. But even though if you want to buy gold, if you are going to that policy bazaar by your own, in the policy bazaar also there are some people are available, right, to guide you. And we have already seen many agents in our family neighbors only, LIC agents. The LIC agents will work for you. So they knows the how system works, and they will guide you step by step process. And that is called planning. And then action and learning. That is, everyone will do in the everyday things. And this is not only that, wherever you got any doubt or any problem in your personal lifetime, in your personal life, that first you will to understand the data, what is the problem, you will to make the plan, you will perform the action. While you are doing action, you can get the adaptability also. Now, applications. Like I told you, these are the very 5 applications I just highlighted. But in the future, every field, every technology needs agents. There is no doubt in that. Now, the world is growing very, very rapidly. Like I already told you, the world is going very, very rapidly. Now, we already seen that Neogama company, Neogama, I showed you in the class also. These people are simply creating a robots, humanoid robots. The humanoid robot is performing the action here. Program is created. We already seen these kind of things in the movies, and but we have never seen the lively, right? So now in the future, every home, how you are buying a vehicle, car, or TV or whatever it is, everyone will buy a humanoid robots. They specifically created a program. They can do their own work. They can't involve any other work, kind of. So there are beautiful, beautiful things are coming in the future. So that is a thing here. Now, healthcare domain, and healthcare domain, finance, cyber security, smart cities, everywhere is available. Everywhere is available. Now, future with integration with general AI, like just now Sandeep has asked and Lakshmi has mentioned, Sairaj has mentioned that there are so many with integrations required definitely because it's keep on update. We can't say that we can't believe a human being itself, right? How can we behave that? How can we believe that a robotic humanoid robot and is able to think self-thinking in the future? So that is the integration is required and human AI collaboration. This is very, very important. Everything should be in our control. If our control is not there, that is a very horrible situation. It become a nightmare. And research. Now we are already seeing that there is a scientist like what we have sent superbug mystery. I already showed this is also superbug mystery. Superbug mystery. We already seen that. AI stuns scientist superbug mystery solved in just 48 hours. It is 5 days ago. 5 days ago, because the scientists are doing that long research, 10 years long research. 10 years long research means that is a very, very huge, right? That's still going on. So this is how if you antibiotics are stopped by a specific bacteria that scientists are doing a research and that AI is solved only in the 48 hours. So in the healthcare domain, just imagine the future. Now, future we are in the past. Our people are saying that you will get 100 years like that. Now we already know no one is getting 100 years. Maximum 70. Suppose 75. Then katam our jindagi. That we already know that is. Now, because of that, because of so many changes, we already know that is. There's so many new problems are coming, and so now scientists are feels that in the future also we can able to achieve 100 years again because of AI. And the next, enhanced safety and regulations, self-evolving AI. Always self-evolving means active learning, adaptability situation. That is always a very, very important for anyone in life. And why do now I already told you that in the last class, if you see that I can able to say simple thing. Any AI agent, any AI agent, any AI agent required two things. Any AI agent can do the two things here. Is required always two things. The first one is data. The first one is real-time data. How you are providing the data. That is very, very important. How is the data is required. This is the data. is the data. And second thing is any generative AI model, any LLM model, For example, your Chat GPT models. Chat GPT can able to perform the actions, can able to think. So Chat GPT can able to think and but not able to make the decisions. And based on this data, this is the skill number one, and this is the skill number two. By providing these skills, a AI agent can able to take the decisions. Agent can able to take the decisions. So this is the very important. This is a very important. How you are, because already GPT models, already generative AI models, or you can say LLM models. Like we already discussed in our regular class also, but again I'm telling that generative AI, generative AI means generative AI means it can able to generate, able to generate, it can able to generate essays, stories, 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 poems, poems, and it can able to solve the math problem. It can able to ask any question from physics, chemistry, politics, history, whatever it is. Any question you ask, it is able to say that. Also, it is able to generate the. It can able to generate the your images, songs, music. Also, it can able to generate. We already know that is. Everyone, the best example here is called GPT models. The best example is the GPT model that you are famous Chat GPT. We already know why it is doing, because it's already trained. It's already trained with enormous data. Already trained with so much data, and inherently they are using the neural network concept. The neural network concept they are using. Neural network means exactly how human being able to think. They are also able to capable to think. That's called we call deep learning algorithms. Deep learning or machine learning or NLP, anything that is called intelligence. So these are the algorithms. Now you already have a trained model. 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 And then if I provide a real time data, then this is a super combination. Then that combination is called agent. Then agent is equal to that any LLM model or any generative AI model, or you can say that meant specifically real time data. So this you always remember in the best way. If any want to work any agent, then it become LLM and plus real time data. So everyone is clear so far? Everyone is clear? Very good. So now there's so many GPT models are there. There's so many GPT models are there. It can do anything. That is called generative AI means anything in that large language models. Large language models, that is called LLM. LLM means the name itself saying that language. If any generative model, if any generative AI model works only on text data, only on text data, and then it is called LLM. It's called LLM. So here Chat GPT, you ask the Chat GPT, generate the image. Generate the image. Have you tried any time? It will generate or not? It will generate or not? Yes or no? Tell me. If you have the Chat GPT, it will generate the image. Try now only. Try now only. generate an image, generate image of a boy playing cricket. Playing cricket. This is the Cartoon Network. Correct? Next thing, we'll take one question. Next question. Now, generate an image Virat Kohli playing cricket with Rajinikanth. Now, it's generating a, is it generating ma? Even though it is a AI model not generating. Now tell me. ChatGPT is a more kind of LLM model or completely generative model? Yes, Venkat Manikanta. It's a more kind of LLM model. More kind of a LLM model. It can't generate the real-time images. There is a one more model is called Sora is there. What is there? Sora. We can go to the Sora. Sora also under the OpenAI models only. Sora also under the OpenAI. Now Sora can generate the images by using the prompt. Everything under generative AI only. Everything under generative AI only. Again, don't talk about Grok, Gemini model. We are talking about only the question is only the ChatGPT here. Okay, because different companies are there. Different companies are developing the different GenAI models. GenAI models. Like again, I discussed yesterday also in the class also we discussed, right? So the main thing OpenAI we call what? OpenAI, the generative AI model name is Bolo. Everyone tell me. GPT models. What is that? GPT. What is the full form of GPT? What is the full form of GPT? The full form of GPT? Generative pre-trained transformers. Very good. You need to remember this. Now next, we have our famous is called Google models. Google has developed which models? Gemini. Amazon is which model now? Bedrock. XAI is which model now? That's called your Grok. And Meta AI is which model now? Llama. Meta AI is called Llama. These are the very famous. But OpenAI is also collaborated with Azure. That's called Microsoft, correct? But Microsoft Copilot also available. Microsoft Copilot also available. Microsoft P model also available. Copilot also available. So many developments are coming. So many developments. Now the next development is agents. Next development is agents. So now agent is nothing but exactly a human being. ChatGPT is OpenAI completely. GPT models. ChatGPT is completely OpenAI. So, chalo, very good. Next. Yeah, Microsoft is a small investments kind of. Investor. Microsoft is an investor. Now components. components. You see that components now. First component is perception. Perception means gather the data, and second thing is store into the memory. Exactly human being. Again, I'm telling exactly human being. That's all. What your mind will do. First, you use. I'm seeing you. I'm storing you. Now I can start analyze the information. Correct? Is exactly happening our human being or not? The first three is happening or not? We will see some information. We'll store the information, and we'll start analyze the information. Exactly that is also agent will do. You no need to buy this. This is a real-time situation. This is our friend. How we are working, that exactly another Omkar also working. That's all. How Omkar sir is teaching, another Omkar sir also will teach. I know what this guy do because he is and me both are same. And decision making system and execution module learning mechanism. That is same thing and our real-time situations only. So never ever by heart the definitions. Simply whatever we are doing, agents also we are expecting the same to do. Now, suppose financial agents, let's see that. In financial agents, one guy is only collecting the data. Now imagine that in the one example, suppose financial agent is there. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat again? Yeah, I'm audible. Now this is one. There's one more person is there. Gather the data. He will analyze the data. He will give the insights to the data, and he will talk to us. Imagine that there is a system is there. There's a system is there. The system is there. This is a very, very big system. Imagine this. And this is your agent number one. Agent number one. Agent one. This agent will only gather the information. Gather the information. And this is the another one. Gather the information. After this information passed to the another person, he will analyze based on your requirement. Analyze based on requirement. Your requirement. For example, I want to invest. I want to invest 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh rupees on PSU companies. PSU companies. That is your only requirement. Your PSU company. This is your requirement. Based on this requirement, this guy also gather what information he will pass. He will pass all the PSU data. All the PSU data is passing. All the PSU data is passing. PSU data and PSU data is passing. And this guy is This guy is filtering the based on your 1 lakh. How many shares will come? Based on this 1 lakh, how many shares will come and which PSU task? Suppose there is 100 PSU task will be available. 100 PSU task will be available. He is filtering out 10 PSU tasks. 10 PSU tasks. 10 PSU. Because in every system there is not only one person, there is many persons, different tasks, right? Now similarly here now, the third agent, agent number 3. Agent number 3. This agent number 3 will direct connection with you. Will direct connection with you. Will direct connection. He will invest. He will take your money. He will take your money and he will invest on behalf of you. He will manage. He will take your money and he will invest. He will invest. See how beautiful. Now, how many people are working here generally in the real time? 3 members. Now, how many agents we are making? 3 agents. And this is called multi-agent system. This is called multi-agent system. Called exactly a multi-agent system. Understood, ma, everyone? And this multi-agent system, if you want to do, what is your requirement here? Tell me. First, what we need? First, what we need? Agent number 1. Agent number 1. Research agent. Suppose name. Research agent. What he can do? What he can do? What this agent can do? Story. You are an agent. You are an agent. You are an agent. Can do the research. Can do the research. I'm telling you that you are the person. You will only bowl. You are the person. You can bat. You are the person. You are doing the all rounder. Your name is all rounder. Suppose your name is research agent. You are an agent. You can do the research. Can do the research. That is your backstory. Which story that is called? Backstory. This is called backstory. You are an agent, you can do the research. Now, so this guy will ask what? Okay, provide me the real-time data. Then what does this guy need? What this guy need? Tell me. This guy need called data. Provide me the real-time data. Provide me the real-time data. What is this guy task now? Tell me. What is this task now? Your role is called software engineer. So I'm instead of backstory, I'm writing the role. I'm writing the role. You are an agent, can do the research. What is your task now? You need to do the research. You need to do the research on PSU data. PSU stocks. PSU stocks. What is the expectation? What is expectation? Expectation is means my expectation, the goal. What is the goal means? The goal is different on my goal. You need to provide 10 PSU tasks, 10 PSU tasks based on my budget, based on my budget, based on my budget. That is called 1 lakh rupees. See how beautifully we are making that agent now. What is that agent name? That is called agent name. Agent name is equal to research agent. What is the role? You are an agent. You can do the research. That's all. So what you required? You require data. Provide me the real-time data. What is the task now? You need to do the research on which data? PSU data. This is my requirement. Maybe your requirement on the real estate stocks. Maybe your requirement is the software stocks. So this will be change. This will be keep on change. Correct? Huh? Now, what is your expectation? What is your expectation? You need to provide 10 PSU tasks. How many I want? 10 PSU tasks based on my budget. My budget is how much now? 1 lakh rupees. This is the way exactly I am passing to the information. Now, can you help me to the agent number 2? What is the agent number is doing now? Agent 2 doing? Every agent required now what ma? Every agent required, you required a name, you required a role, and what you required, and what is your task, what is my expectation, what I am expecting from you. Now this is called financial advisor, analyze agent. Very good. Analyze agent. Give me the name, everyone. Backstory. What is it? What he will do? What he will do? Tell me. What is the backstory? What is role? You need to analyze the data. You need to analyze the data. Research हो गया ना? Research and data is हो गया. Research means only finding the data. Now, what you need required now? You also required data only. You also required data only. But which data? The agent one data might be. Agent one data, you will work on that. Now we have agent one is giving the data. Agent one is giving the data to you. Give the data. What is your task? You need to analyze on how many now? How many PSU tasks? Analyze how many PSU tasks? 10 PSU tasks. How many? 10. You need to provide the breakup. My 1 lakh breakup on how much money? How much money I need to spend on which task? Which stock? The breakup chahiye. That's all over. Now agent 3. Agent 3. Now agent 3. Follow mano. Agent 3. Agent 3. Now PSU broker. Huh? Don't say broker, only say agent. Human agent, human resource agent, you can say. Human advisor agent. Human advisor agent. Let's see. Human advisor agent means he will give the advice to humans. The backstory is you need to closely work with the human. Closely work with the client, suppose. Whatever he wants, like that. So you need the information from agent 2. Data only. Agent 2. Okay, this I am creating. You can create your own thing. Okay. Now task is what? You need to help the you need to help to client how to invest. How to invest, correct? How to invest. Next exception. What is the exception? On which date, which PSU task you need to buy, suppose. On which date, which time, he need to take entry. He need to take entry. That is the thing. See how beautifully we are making the agents now. Agent 1, agent 2, agent 3. Clear, Amma? Everyone? Online students? Agents are exciting, no? Agents are exciting. Why can't agent only do the entry? I did not get Sandeep. Why can't agent do only entry means? I did not get this. Agent can do anything. Yeah, for this agent must have. That is only na agent. That's why we are taking which model. Now Lakshmi is saying that, sir, that for this agent must to understand the data. That's why LLM model coming to the picture. That's why your machine learning is coming. That's why your deep learning is coming. That's why NLP is coming. That's why generative AI is coming. They can understand. They can give the decisions. No? Like we already seen, right? Logistic regression, what can do? It can able to identify whether loan defaulter or not. That's the research. That's where LLM model will come to the picture. How they will think. You can create any like many agents, Rajendra. Yeah. Then you need to share your details. Agent can do. Agent can book the flight also. Can book the flight. But again, flight means you need to the money apps. Money apps you need to give the permission. Money apps permission you need to give the permission. So this is a basic depends on trust, completely trust. Depends on completely trust. Yes. Agent trying to product the update to the customer. Correct. Yes, Sandeep. This is only we are taking one small example. But in the future, anything can possible, right? Model has all the generative model has a huge data source. Your best example is always GPT model. The everyone knows Chat GPT knows, everyone knows Grok. You can ask any question, it's giving or not. It's giving any question. But it not give the real-time data. It's not give the real-time data. For the real-time data, we need to connect the specific APIs, like Google Search API, like that. There's a possibility to create a one agent to give all the goals to the agent. Your manager is giving all the work to you or what, Akshay? You can give many things. But agent will, robot one got suicide. You know that? Robot suicide, you know? Robot suicide. South Korea sees its first robot suicide. It's going and gone the suicide. Okay. Your manager is giving all the work to you. Same like that will happen. So okay, don't push them. It's going and run the suicide. Anything can possible. Anything can possible. Same like exactly you're human being only. Okay. Good, good. Chalo. Yeah, now I will provide that. I will provide the data. These are the some search tools. Google Search API, Bing Search API, Wallform Alpha, DuckDuckGo API, SERP API. Remember these names. We will work on this. The future. Your companies also. Google Search API, Bing Search API, Wallform API Alpha, DuckDuckGo API, SERP API. Now, because LLM model we already know. Now, this is the search tools, real-time data. Real-time data. Now, platforms and frameworks. Platforms and frameworks. In order to create agents, we require obviously we are using the Python coding. In that, our class is only CrewAI. CrewAI is the one platform. LangChain. In the last class, I explained about LangChain, AutoGPT, Baby AGI, Voyager, and Meta AI agents. These are the platforms. Now you know the platform norms. Now you know the search AI agents and you know the LLM model names. So in order to create a successful AI agents, we need a framework. Which framework we are using? We are using here Crew AI framework. Which framework? Crew AI framework. And we are using a, suppose we are using a search tool. We are using a search tool. So there are so many search tools are there. Serper, we are using the Serper search tool. In our class was which search tool? Serper tool. Serper tool. And next we are doing the LLM model. We need a LLM model. So here we LLM or you can say Gen AI model. LLM or Gen AI model. In our class we are using the Google Gemini model. Google Gemini model. In order to create a successful framework, we need these things. Successful project. The framework is called Crew AI and search tool is equal to Serper tool and LLM is equal to Google Gemini AI. Clear everyone now? Clear now? Getting all the roadmap idea now? How, what is this agent, how we are doing, how we are creating? You're much familiar. Oh, Lakshmi, you worked on that. Nikhil, RAG is very, very simple. RAG is very, very simple. RAG means, first of all, I'm example very, very clear. I will explain you. Now, just ask that chat GPT. I'm asking the chat GPT. Simply, what I'm asking, who is Nallagoni Omkar sir? Yesterday also I explained to my student. Now you see that. It will give answer or not? Nikhil, if I ask this question. Nikhil, yes. Who is Nallagoni Omkar sir? So experience, data science, analytics, certifications, contributions, and many things coming. Now, how many batches Omkar sir conducting, conducting? Give me with the times. Give me timings also. Timings also. You can say that how many batches Omkar sir conducting in Naresh IT. Give me timings also. Now it will give a. Now it will give a Nikhil. No. Why? Tell me. Why it will not create? Why it will not give? When this batch started? The wrong. Okay. It's not because real time data. It does not have that info. Correct? Huh? Now tell me. Now Naresh IT has created a. Now Naresh IT created a same bot, similar bot Similar bot. Naresh IT created a similar bot and provided the real-time data. Then that is called your happen with the RAG models only. That is called RAG. So RAG means can same similar kind of GPT only, chat GPT only, but only specific data, specific custom data we call. That is the this a chat GPT is a generic bot. Chat GPT is a generic bot. The generic. Understood now everyone? Nikhil clear? Yeah. Chalo now we will open that. So now tell me what we require now. We required a framework. Which framework? Crew AI. We required a Crew AI. We required a search tool that is called what? Serper tool. We required a LLM Gen AI model. Now question number one. How many? Tell me those who doesn't have. In order to connect with the Gemini, here we are using Python programming language. Python. And we are using here is Google Colab only. We can do in the VS Code also. We can do using VS Code also. But this workshop is open for everyone. Yes, ma, I will tell you that. This workshop is open for everyone. That's why I'm recommending only Google Colab. That is the one thing. So first of all, Google Colab, no need of installation. No need of install. So this is available for everyone. So those who are watching my regular workshop, they can know very well. Second thing is now in order to use Gemini capability, we need Gemini API key. Gemini API key. That is the first one. Yes, we can do, ma. I will show that. In order to, in our class also we will learn that is. In order to use Serper API, Serper capability, we need Serper API key. These two be required. Now tell me how many people doesn't have this? Raise your hand. How many people doesn't have this? Raise your hand. Yeah, very good. So quickly, everyone in the class follow this. Now the step number one is we need to get Gemini API key. Okay, na? We'll discuss both quickly in 10 minutes. We need to get Gemini API key. My voice is clear, ma? Everyone? Yeah, good, right? Yes, thanks. Now go to AI Studio, everyone. Go to AI Studio. Just type AI Studio. AI Studio. Those who are raised the hand, you need to respond now. Okay? Say yes. You type AI Studio. Those who are trying to create the Gemini API key, now you need to respond quickly. Rishi, you already have. Rishi is one of my fantastic student. Yeah. Now click on Google AI Studio. Click on Google AI Studio. You will able to see this page. Always follow my workshops with a regular attendance so that you will be always in the lineup. For that, I will share one QR code also. You can join in that QR code. So created this. There is a your left side get API key available. Get API key. Your left side get API key is available. You need to compulsory log in with your Gmail account. I already logged with my Gmail account. I already logged with my Gmail account. Make sure that you need to log in with your Gmail account. After that, no, Vinusha, it will not work. You can create another one. Serper key is 2500 free trials are available, but Gemini key only will be expired soon. So if it is not works, we will do that. Now click on the get API key. So those who are familiar, you need to explain to your friends also, because many people doesn't know this, how to do that. You already know that is get API key. Click on this. In the middle of the page, you will see create API key. Very good, Raj. Please confirm the chat, ma. Those who are doing now are able to see create API key now. Please confirm the chat. Somebody raise the hand. I'm talking with them. Sanat, okay? Shilpa, please say yes, ma. Shilpa, Imraj, in the chat. If you are able to see, say yes here. Now don't raise the hand. Okay? Very good, Nikhil. Now create API key. Create API key. Subhasri, good. Praveen is good. Click on create API key. When you create API key, you can able to see here create API key in existing project. Are you able to see this in the blue color? Blue color. Yes, blue color. Then click on that. Click on the blue color icon. When you click on the blue color icon, a pop-up will come like this. A pop-up will come like this. Coming now. A pop-up. Copy it. Copy it and paste it. Simple. Copy and paste somewhere. That's all, ma. As simple as that. As simple as that. Go to AI Studio. Go to AI Studio. Click on Google AI Studio. And there is a left side, get API key. Get API key. Then create API key. Create API key. And this blue color will pop-up will come. If blue color pop-up will not come, you need to select some one project. Then blue color will pop-up will come. Some people without project only, they are getting the blue color pop-up. But I am not getting, so that's why I'm adding my project. So click on that. When you click on that, you can able to see the API key. Now please confirm the chat. Everyone has the API key now. Say yes, 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 yes. The completely interactive session, everyone should do. All my students, those who are attending here. Very good. Now next, click on the Serper. Click on the Serper, everyone now. Serper. Click on the Serper. Now click on the Serper. Click on the Serper. The world fastest. It is a trustworthy only, because all trustworthy Python packages are there, so you no need to worry. The world fastest and cheapest Google search API. 2500 free queries will be available. 2500. Those who have already account is there, you can do the sign in. Those who doesn't have account is there, you can do the sign up. Sign up. Give your name. Give your name. Your email ID. Provide the proper email ID and provide the password. Once you create the account, a email ID will come. A email ID will come. A email verification ID will come. An email verification ID will come. Very good, ma. An email verification ID comes to your email ID. To your email ID. Check it. Your email ID. An email verification ID will comes to your email ID. Once it's come in, you need to go to and click on that. That's all. It will be created. So there are two cases, ma. Step number one, Gemini API key is only for Gemini model. Only for Gemini model. And step number two, Server API key only for searching. Only for searching. Yesterday, some people are confused in the class. Correct? Now you are clear. Gemini API key only for Gemini model and Server API key only for searching. Now I am logging here. I'm entering my email ID. I'm entering my password. I'm logging now. When I log in, I use the last 30 days, 69 times I use. Then how many are left for me, ma? 2431. There's the API key option is there again left side. Imraj, Shilpa, getting? Shraddha, Subhashri, Nikhil, Sanat, able to get right? Now click on API key. Then the API key will be available. Don't edit anything. Copy it and paste here somewhere. Like that. Yeah, both are different, Tarun. SERP API different to SERPer different. Both are different, yes. SERP versus SERPer. Both are different. Both are different. Like your Grok versus Grok. Both are different. Very good. Now everyone has the both keys. Can you please confirm the chat, everyone? Everyone has the both keys. Very good. Very good. We have both keys. We have both keys. We have both keys. Easy. Now, third one is Crew AI platform. Crew AI. Type it. Crew AI. The name itself saying that multi-agent platform. Streamline workflows across with powerful AI agents, build and AI agents. Click on that. Multi-agent. If you want to do multi-agent, the best thing is called Crew AI. Of course, there are some other things also there. File data is there, LangGraph is there. Every workshop we will come with new platforms, so that in your company which platform will work, they can start with that. Already many companies are collaborated here, and that. So don't you do anything. Now just understand it. Just understand it. Your famous Andrew NG also available here. There's a course, free course is available. Are you able to see, ma? Free course. Free course. I always recommend to do some free courses. There is a prompt engineering free course also available. Prompt engineering free course also available. It is also free course only, just 1.5 hours. Whenever you have a free time is there, always you need to learn these small things, because AI is growing very rapidly, Chinna. AI is growing very rapidly. There's so many free courses are available. So Creo AI, enterprise, open source, ecosystem, use case. Go to the use cases, talk to sales, marketing, analyst, finance, technology, so many things are there, correct? LLMs, I told you, sources, destinations, LLMs, data sources, OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, Llama, LangChain, Cloud AI, many things are there. These are the use cases. So many use cases are there here. You can pick anything, you can start work on that. This is the platform. Templates also available. Some templates, how to do that, templates also available. Generate the PDF for sales crew. Many templates are available. Chalo, why we are waiting now? We'll start our thing. Before going to our thing, as usual, I'm sharing the Google Colab notebook so that it will save our time. Save our time. It will save our time. Now I have given that Google Colab. Can you please click on that? Can you please click on this? Everyone, able to open? Able to open, ma? Everyone? Those who are not able to open, I request you to join in our community so that at least many people can collaborate. We can share the Omkar sir updates, latest updates. Join the community group. 1 minute, I will share that. Give a minute. Open, right? Yes, very good. Now there is a follow my workshops regularly so that you will be this time will be skipped. There's a code option is there. You see, right? Code option. Code option. Ankita, I shared this GitHub link. Have you opened, ma? Ankita, please open that GitHub link. Let me know. And those who know GitHub, my students or many people are knows the GitHub, and you can use the Git clone by copy that link. Otherwise, some other people can download the zip. This is the easiest way. Click on download. Click on download. A download zip file will be downloaded in your local. Please confirm the chat. Downloaded a zip file. I want everyone. Everyone should join in this community, and you need to share your work today itself with a screenshot so that Omkar sir will help me, because this is a worth use case, ma. Worth use case. I'm giving the QR code. Those who are not joined, you can join in that. You'll get the latest updates. How to unzip? I will teach you. Yeah, you need to unzip. Yes. Yeah. Everyone, please join in this Q community group, ma. You'll get the latest updates. AI and data science with Omkar sir. Please join in this community group. And if anyone is already unzipped, very good, super. Please unzip it. Always follow to my regular workshops and the regular attendance so that you will get it. Yeah. Now go to here, select it, right click, extract all, extract all, extract here only, a separate folder will be created, the downloads. This is the zip ma. This is unzip ma. Clear? Zipped, unzipped. Again, I'm repeating. Select it, right click it, extract all, and extract it unzipped. That's all. When you unzip, there's a file will be there. Now, can you please confirm the chat? Everyone unzipped ma? Say yes, 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 yes. Now, can you tell me what are we required to do this now? What are the framework we are doing? Everyone, can you type this framework? The framework we are using what ma here? Crew AI. Very good. I will ask the question. You need to say answer. Okay. Crew AI. Which LLM model or Gemini model we are using here? Which model? Gemini. Which model? Gemini. And which search tool we are using here? Which search tooling? Search. Yeah, Serper. Very good. Serper tool. And which Python platform we are, which coding platform we are using? Which programming language? Python. Which platform? Which Python platform? Which Python platform? Google Colab. Google Colab. Very good. Super. Now open the Google Colab. Open the Google Colab. Welcome to Colab. Welcome to Colab. Welcome to Colab. Now upload that notebook. Upload option is there. Are you seeing here? You cancelled. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. There is upload option is there. Are you able to see upload here? Upload. Okay. If you cancel, there's a very good super show. There's a file option is there here. The main file option. There's upload option is there. Upload notebook. Where to unzip ma? Unzip. Subhashri. This one, right click it. Extract all. Right click and extract all. You're still at GitHub. Why ma? We're still at GitHub. Are you able to see this page? Subhashri? There's the code option. Are you able to see code option? Very good. Super Akshay. There's the download zip option is there. Download zip. Yeah, download it. Then you can able to see the zipping here. Your downloads. Yes. Now select this. Right click. Say yes. Right click da. There's the extract all option. Extract all option. Now extract it. A separate folder will be created same like this. Zipped folder, unzipped folder. That's all. Now you can able to see my Python code here. You can able to see my Python code. Very good. Now open the Google Colab. Open the Google Colab now. Open the Google Colab. Type it Google Colab. And welcome to Google Colab. Welcome to Colab. You will be able to see this page. There's upload option is there. Upload. You might have signed in for this also, ma. you can able to see in the my right top that N option is there. N means you need to log in with your Gmail account again. Gmail account, everyone. There's the file option your left top. File option. Click on the file. Upload notebook. Upload notebook. Same option will come. Then browse it. Browse it. Go to your Python file and open it. And open it. So we are creating a travel advisor. We are creating a travel advisor. Now please confirm the chat. Everyone able to see the code? Don't run it. Don't run it. Please confirm the chat. Everyone able to upload it. I want 50 essays and 50 essay answers. Everyone should say. Everyone should say. Super. Now, use this notebook only reference. Don't run this notebook. Use this notebook only as reference. Don't run this because you need to understand the coding also. You need to understand the code also. For that, once you open here, there is a new notebook will happen. When there's a file option is there, are you able to see file option? File option. File option. New notebook in Drive. Open the new notebook. Open the new notebook. A new notebook will come like this. Now please confirm the chat. Everyone open the new notebook. Very good. Now look at the board. Sorry, like class. Look at the screen. Okay. Now the first step number one is the text option is there. Are you able to see the text option? Text option. Yeah, click on the text. The step number one. Step number one. Step number one. Install the packages. Install the packages. In order to run the code, shift to plus enter, or you can do the play button. Text means you can write the text. Text means you can write the text. Text means you can write the text. As step number one, install the packages. Done, everybody? Huh? Now go to that page. Our original reference book. There's already 2 lines are there. Installation, 2 lines. Able to see a reference notebook. Copy from here. copy from here and paste here. The as symbol is there, remove that. As symbol is there, remove that, because we want to use Creo AI and Creo AI tools. Both are required. Now run it. Now run it. Be careful, ma. After you run, it will ask you restart your system, and you need to connect with your internet also. That you already know that is. While it is installing, after that, it will ask the restart your system, not your system here, this page, okay? That's why be careful. Aditya, not working means what, ma? Have you copy pasted? GitHub ID not creating. So why your GitHub? You are not opened, you are not downloaded. It's not opening. Now try again. Can you please click on that? Please click on that. You need to restart the session, ma. This is a don't do now. Let it complete. In the back end, it is running now. Let it complete, ma. Don't restart now. Let it complete. The back end is already running. Are you able to see now? The back end is already running. Don't restart now. Don't restart now. Now restart it. Once it is completed, now restart the session. Now restart session means you can able to see a restarting. Hi Darshan. Venkat, I shared a GitHub link, Venkat. You need to download that code. You need to open that for the keep as reference. Venkat, this code, the 2 lines, one by one, okay? Please follow, ma. I did not get all this processing information while you are installing. Have you upload this hash comments are removed or not? Hash. Hash you need to remove, na? Here reference notebook is hash, ma. You need to remove the hash. Let's see it will not work or not. We'll see. Don't worry. Now there are 2 persons now. One is Aditya and Venkat. What are you doing now? Able to do? You need to follow very, very clearly here. Now onwards. Very good. Now tell me, everyone able to install now? Everyone is able to install. Very good. Super. Install and restart. Very good. While you are installing, it will ask restart the page. Restart the page means you need to restart the kernel. Means restart the kernel. Restart the kernel. We need to name, like I named na Santosh. You can name it. Today workshop date liko. Agent using Creo AI. Today date 02/03/2025. Simple ma. Don't edit dot .ipynb before dot. Before dot you need to do. So this page is completed. Now next what is there? Check it. Next we are creating a Gemini travel advisor. This is the scenario. What is the scenario? You have only 3 days the trip. Your budget is $1,500, including flights, stay, food, transport. You prefer the historical sites over shopping. You need to find a hotel near public transport. You want a real-time weather forecast for London before finalizing the plan. If you want to use London, you can use the London. If you want to use your own city, Mumbai or Hyderabad, you can use the Hyderabad. If you want to avoid the dollars, you can provide the rupees. Understood scenario, everyone? Again, I'm repeating, this code is we are taking our GitHub link because we want to save the time. If I will type, it will more 1 hour extra more, but I don't want to kill the time. So that's why I'm giving the Google Colab as the reference book. Now don't run this book. Here, understand the code and copy the code and create it. You will get some confidence. And later, you try to develop your own use case. That is the scenario. And everyone got the GitHub, everyone downloaded, and everyone opened the book, and everyone opened a new notebook, and you are following my steps. Can I assume this? Say yes, 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 yes now, everyone. Super. Now, 1 or 2 people might have missed because the internet connection, I can understand. But the beauty of this is, this workshop can available in YouTube also. YouTube also. Can simply type Omkar sir Naresh IT, so that you can able to see so many of my workshops and my videos. Omkar sir Naresh IT. Simple. And I will share the link also. Please join our community link. And this is our community link. You can join in that. Super. So next, step number 2. Step number 1 completed. Now step number 2. Step number 2, there is a text option is there. Text option. Step number 2, import the packages. Import the required packages. Now what are the packages are there? Go to here and copy that. Import the 3 packages. Crew AI package, and this package have agent is available, task is available, Crew is available, process is available, LLM is available, and next thing is, and your serper. I want to get the serper. Your operating system. OS means operating system, because in order to access that, we need the OS, which means I will tell you what is that. This is the first serper tool. Everyone understood that these 3 meanings? Run it. Those are successfully installed, then these 3 will run. Some warning will come, don't mind the warning. Now, what is the OS meaning is, what is the OS means? We already know that. We already know that we need LLM Gemini API key and the Serper API key. Serper API key, correct? But these API keys are my own API key. I don't want display in public. I don't want display public because they can misuse. They can misuse, and it's a free access, limited access only. Limited access only. Limited access. So what we'll do? We need to use by hiding the keys. By hiding the keys. That means we need to access those keys using as environmental variable. Using a concept called as environmental variable. Environmental variable. Using a concept called environmental variable. For that, we need a package called OS package. So now if you see my code, here, there is a OS.environmental variable. Now you can easily understand this 4 lines of code. Now copy these 4 lines of code. Now put side heading step number 3. Put side heading step number 3. Accessing the keys. Access the keys. Paste here. Use your common sense and tell me here. Google API key is equal to Gemini key. Serper API key is equal to Serper key. We are accessing my API keys by using these 5 lines of code. Everyone is clear? Clear, ma? Everyone? We are accessing by using this. Now, where we are hiding the keys? That's the question. And that here there is in your left side there is a keys option is there. Able to see my keys option? Able to see the keys option, everyone? Yeah, click on the keys. There are so many keys I created. So many keys. Now we will create your own key. Now in order to create a new key, where I need to click? Tell me. Where I need to click? Add new secret. Add new secret. Yes or no, ma? Imraj, Nikhil, Aditya. Add new secret. Click on that. You need to provide the name. Now name you need to provide as Gemini key. Here red color is the name is there, na chinna? Gemini key, red color name. The red color name only you need to provide here. That is called Gemini key. And here copy paste your key. We already have our keys. Correct? This is my key. Gemini key. Paste here. Then that's all. The Gemini key, hide it, save it, and hide it. Now you're able to see like this. Please confirm the chat. Serper key and Gemini key, you need to add both. We already created 2 keys. We are added 2 keys now. Don't do spelling mistake. Whatever the red color spelling is there, that name only you need to give here. What is the red color name is there? That only you need to provide the name. Add, go to the new secret, create the Serper key, and provide the Serper key API and save it. That's all. Now enable it. Notebook access. There's a cancel is there. Enable it, ma. Enabled it. Enabled it. Enabled it. Enabled it. Now your API key is available or not, simply print Gemini key, your variable name is called Gemini key, and print Server key. Now run it, you will able to see your key names. Once you are able to see, please let me know. Surya, here new secret, following Surya, add new secret. Click on that. There's a name or you will see the name. Here I have provided many things. Gemini key, you also need to provide what? Gemini key here. Name you need to provide Surya. Now here you need to add your key. You already copied the key, right, Surya? Copy it and save it. Copy it and save it. Everyone, students, please confirm the chat. Are you able to see this? Two things in your local notebook. Run it. I will not run because this is publicly available. Publicly available, I will not run. I want everyone should say yes. I want everyone should say yes. Super. Now keys are done. Step number 1, packages. I'm writing here our steps. Step number 1, we are install the packages. Green color, successful. Green color. Step number 2, we imported the packages. Green color, successful. Step number 3, we able to access the packages. So we able to access the keys. That is called green color, successful. Now we'll start our creating the agents. Now go to the notebook again. Before going to notebook, we are calling our LLM model and tool, search tool and LLM model. Now copy this. Search tool and LLM model. Go to here, step number 4. Step number 4, LLM model and tool. LLM model and tool. Our search tool name is called Serper, and the Serper is coming from Crew Tools. And we are using LLM model. Our model name is called Gemini 1.5 Flash. The model name. Temperature means we are avoiding the hallucinations. We have a separate discussion on this temperature. Temperature is not purpose of cooling. Temperature indicates the thinking power. And this is very well, you know, API key. Just now only we are getting the API key by using called our environmental variable. Verbose is equal true means I want to see the updates, see the results, see the updates, like that. I want to see the some, you can say, statements. That's called verbose. And this is model name. This is a model name. Now everyone please run this. Now please confirm step number 4 is completed or not. What kind of variety inputs? If you give the temperature is more, is exactly behave as biased, some hallucinations will come. Temperature low means is thinks like a human being. It can say that thinking power kind of thing. Step number 4, we access the LLM model, and step number 4, we access the LLM model and tool. Now step number 5, initialize the agents. Initialize the agents. Now, step number 5, let's see here. Now here I am taking the look at the board ma first, and then you can do that. Okay, look at the board. This understanding is important. Step number 5, initialize the agents. Initialize the agents. So you see here, this is my agent. Which agent? Travel research agent. Which agent? Travel research agent. This agent required what? Role. This agent required what? Role. What is the role here? Travel researcher. You are a software employee. What is your goal? Your travel. Find the historical sites, public transport hotels, real-time weather for destination. For destination. And you can use the F string also will works. So destination is the variable become, you need to provide the variable. So don't give that now. Now backstory. You are an expert travel researcher. What is your story? What is your goal? What is the name? Providing up-to-date information about a history-focused trips. And which tool, which model you are using? Gemini model. Which tool you are using? Search tool. Search tool. Now, this all are common sense. You can easily understand that. You can easily understand that. Now, last one is your allow delegation. That means allow delegation means transfer the information to the next one. Okay. Transfer the task. Transfer the task to the next agent. Task to the next agent. Everyone clear ma? Role is nothing but your name, designation, what is your objective, what is your backstory. Memory is storing only. Simple na? Memory means storing. Store is very, very important, na data. Store is very, very important. Verbose means I want to see the statements. When I run code, I want to see the statements. What is happening? It's called verbose. I want to see the statements. Donald Trump from USA na. क्या रे Donald Trump? What? Donald Trump from USA. Clear now? Yes, very good. LangChain framework different to Crew AI framework different. Okay. LangChain framework different to Crew AI different. Crew AI means this is the roles and these are the variables. Please confirm the chat. Each and everyone understood everyone. Role, goal, verbose, everyone. Now onwards you say yes, 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 yes. Yeah, now we are creating a 3 agents like that. Now copy that budget planner and eternity planner. 3 agents. Budget planner and eternity. Just copying that. Simple code, na? Not a much code also, right? Code is very easy. Do you agree with me? Everyone can understand. Everyone can understand. Different agents, na? You see. Travel agent goal is what? Backshore is what? See it. Budget planner, what will do? Budget planner, see the goals. Find the budget flights, hotels, activities within the budget, within the destination. You are a skilled budget analyst, ensuring trips with your financial constraint. And eternity planner means you create a 3-day planner. Means when you want to wake up, when you want to have nasta, when you need to go to the which place, when you come out, when you go to the dinner, that everything is the eternity planner. Eternity planner. Understood, ma? Allow delegation, you can, if you want to transfer the information, you can give the true. If you don't want to transfer the information, you can give the false. We need to create the variables for budget and that. Yes, Rajendra, that when you call that. Clear everyone? These three are three different agents, different roles, different goals, and allow delegations. Here you can pass the true here, you can pass the true, and last you no need to pass anything. Now agents are created now. In the same place we created the no. Secrets is different, ma. Okay, no ma. You just follow that code. First of all, Rajendra, don't think about future code. Think about only for present code. Present code understood? We're going step by step now. Run it. Is ran. Because that can be variable Gangaram. Destination can be London, destination can be Hyderabad. Budget can be 20 rupees, budget can be 20,000 rupees. That can be variables. Like in the Python, variable concept is there, right? Same way. Agents are created, ma. Now agents are need to perform the task. Step number 6. Step number 6. Agent tasks. Agents are hired. Agents are hired. Thank you, Sachin. Agents tasks. Now go to that. The down. Task is there. Are you able to see, ma? Yes, you need to be able to tell me now. What is this doing? Everyone. Use your common sense. You need to tell me now. I'm so happy if you tell this. I want everyone should say that what is this task is doing. First description matlab kya? Description means same. You are hired for you and you are doing this for like that. Why you are hiring and the same task you need to do. Expected output. Expected output means customer related, na? Job description of agent. Correct. We should talk like expected places means the customer related outputs. Tools nothing but searcher. So which agent we need to do this task? Researcher agent. Roles and responsibilities. Now you are using your common sense really. This is the researcher and the researcher is doing here. Name of search tool is not defined. Means you are not installed. This one you did not run. Serpent dev tool. Step number 4. Check it, ma. Step number 4. Rashmita. Rashmita are following. I am saying for you only. Step number 4. You are thinking about step number 5. The above step number 4, we are initialize the search tool. You are open my code, right, Rashmita? Yeah, no next. That is you need to run. You are replying very late, ma Rashmita, because other people also got stuck. Yeah, now everyone is good, ma, till step 6. Now see step number 5, initialize the agents. Step number 6, assign the task. Now kick off. Now last one is what? Kick off now. Start the work. Start the work. Now start the work. Last one is step number, last part of code. Step number 7. Kick off. Kick off the work. Kick off the work. So crew, we are calling all the agents, we are calling all the tasks. The process is sequential process. We can do parallel process also, but your sequential process only will do. First researcher will do, then budget planner will do, then itinerary planner will do, and we are kicking off. My destination is that is called London. My destination is London, and my budget is $1,500. dollars, $1,500. That is my budget. Where we are mentioning the dollars here? Are we mentioning the dollars? Or that you need to provide here. Suppose I'm mentioning here Hyderabad. You mention your own place. Hyderabad from Delhi. Destination and 1,500 rupees, 25,000 rupees, 25,000 INR budget. Let's see the results now. Resource exhausted. Report. Rate limit carry. One minute. You are getting same error? How many are getting working? You are getting little thing. 1 minute. Same error. I'm just checking here somewhere our API key is. Some people are working, some people are error. Give me 1 minute. I'll just debug it. LLM model is working. Let me run again. Light LLM, vertex AI consumption, resource exhausted. This is the because of travel researcher, find historical, you need to debug this, resource exhausted, HTTP status, Gemini, Google Gemini model is not working. Wait 1 minute, I will just do this. Even my different or what? Fake is. Two minutes, no? Just figure it out. Why it is coming is definitely it is the LLM model only. Set per dev tool, Gemini. Understood, but 1 minute. The model is 2.0. The two. No, ma, that is not there. Let me complete. Let me complete that and we'll see that. Okay. I'm thinking about that destination. I'll just remove the destination. Just remove this. Let's see. Check quota means generally it is my Gemini model is not able to work. That is I'm thinking. Yeah, that my Gemini model is problem is there. But give me 1 minute. I will just change the another thing. I'll just change another thing. That is a paid one actually, but paid one is exhausted. The paid one is exhausted. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. Give me 2 minutes. Figure it out. Somewhere we did mistake or it is the only key problem. Sometimes CRUA is not working properly. It's worked in the last 2 days back. Are you able to see the logs, right? It worked. This is the output, previous output. Travel research, talking, 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 talking. That API I can use, but people will copy ma. That's the paid one. That's the problem. That's the paid one. Getting right? My problem. You can use that. That's the paid one. You change it with new ID, it's working. Let's see. It's a definitely an ID only. It's a definitely ID only. I know that. But they're clearly saying that. It's already worked code. It's working or not. Let's see. Not restored properly. Working now. Some successful people are saying that working. How? Change the key. Gemini key. Paper working. How? Sandeep. Now run it, ma. Failed halfway. Working, Smita. Not working, Avengers. Let's see. Gemini 2.0 flash working. Not working, Amiya not working. Maybe your key is, I will check my key. My key should run because my the paid one. Mine the paid one. My should run. If my should run, everything is, our code is correct. Okay, don't worry about our code. You're giving your code, Sachin. Wait. Budget you need to provide my year. The budget. Don't do small things. Yeah, it's only quota error. I can't do anything. Because last time it is worked. It's absolutely a quota error. Sachin, you're giving that? Can I use this? Working one. Let's see. Let's see. I will use this one and let's see. That logs we can't help such Karthik. We need a key. The logs I understood here also. We need a key. Sachin, which key that is? Let's see. Key is always a problem, you know. Paid keys only, that's what I will do. Same error coming, no? Same error coming. Who is working? You are working. Are you also working? But why I'm getting error if you are working? Rate limit error coming. I बार run किया इसलिए. But the thing is here, rate is some people are working, some people are not working. Change the model, 2.0, no? Change the model also done. Free okay, agent okay, destination, let's see the destination. Destination okay, and agents okay, and kickoff okay. Nope, nope. Vaibhav Gupta, same error here also. That is the because of the thinking that it is a problem of keys error. The problem of keys error only. Free kickoff. Now, how many people are working? Can you please confirm the chat? How many people are working? Now, Smita working? No, only working. I am asking. Shoaib working. Now working. Now working. Amia now working. Research tasks. No ma, don't don't say work only. I'm asking only working people. You are again confused. Yeah, here that. I'm asking that only working people say yes. See, all people are saying that. See, first of all, the code is correct because some people it is working. Okay, some people is working. Some people is working. First of all, the code is correct. So the code doesn't have problem. If you execute that code, it will work. The code does not have any problem. Problem. Okay. So it's working. So that's all I want to say. It's a working code only. Code doesn't have any problem. It's already work. You change the budget and tried it worked. It is working code. It's only quota means it that the free access, the free quota got expired. Free quota got expired. And remaining people are getting not defined error means you are not run the proper code. Okay, Nivrita. The research task is not defined means you did not run your properly the code. You see here, the research task. This you did not run. We already created a name called research task. Gemini quota. Gemini quota only. So the small things don't do the mistake. So definitely it will work if you provide the good API keys. Rate limit error that only. Resource exhausted rate limit error is nothing but quota error. The Gemini quota error. Gemini is not currently accepting that. Gemini quota error. It's working, Sachin. I'll give one more try. Sachin is giving one more code. Let's see. No, you hard coded the keys and you work for you. For you people is working for me. The same code I am not using, not working for me. The same code. My code I correct that I already know that is wrong here. I only the copied this only, na. MRN BY YH. Hmm. Some issue is there. Give a minute. We'll figure it out. No, it is a pakka code error. Sorry, code error, no, quota error. It is a quota error only. You don't worry. You do one thing. We'll connect with our community. We'll discuss this in our community. We'll discuss this in our community. So in the last part only we got failed. We are failing at last part. Failing at last part. Last part. Case or work not working notebook access. But it should work. Why it is not working? Give a minute. I will give a last try. I'll take a last try. We need to get. I'll take a last try and try it. Sachin, एक बार share करो कि is the key, right? How you are creating Sachin? That is working or you are just giving like that? Now package is working, na? It's already worked code on. I just show the output, no? The last 2 days back output I already showed. No? Package problem I thought other people also should get, na? Package problem means other people also should get, not we. Package problem means other people also should get, not only we. But everyone is getting Chinky. Let's see. Will come with the, if it not works, will come with the next to other open source model in the next workshop. No, it will not work, quota only. So what I am thinking is, that the quota error only. That's the quota error. Okay, I know now. I know that. I know that. So there is a problem. There is a problem is, there are two problems I am sensing. There is a two problem. First of all, tell me again, how many people are working? Can you please post in the our community group? How many it is working? How many are working? Say here yes, working yes, and post the screenshot in our community group. In our community group, what I am thinking is, this API connection, there are two problems is there. The first problem is that the quota error, and second one is somehow the API is not connecting properly. API is not connecting. So I will create a new paid one. I will create a new paid one, and I will try again. I will try to impute that. Last 2 days on 2 days back only it got worked. 2 days back only It got work. 2 days back only. So that it's work. And the next thing is next class. Next class we will use another open source model. Another open source model. Let's see what is. So for you it is working. Hmm. Last try will do. One more try. Last try will do. So I will show the output here. The output should come like this. The output is will come like this. I'll just show the output. Eternity planner output is the last output will come like this. This is the eternity planner. Last output will come like this. So we will give that 3-day Hyderabad itinerary from New York. This is the itinerary aims to budget under 1 lakh rupees, but this roughly estimate depends on exact it will be there. You're getting right now. Very good, super. But somehow I'm only that only. I think it is the API connection problem is there. I think API connection problem it seems. API connection problem is there. Don't worry, it will work. You can share the screenshot. Your output will be like this now. You will get an output like this. Ah, wow, super, Smita. Many people are able to see show in answer. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Ah, we'll work with the llama also. We'll work the llama also. Very good. The output will come like this. Hmm. Same exactly. Yes, yes, yes. So happy. At least some people are able to see the answers. Or at least able to see some answers. So happy for that. Hmm. So you'll say this kind of output, last output. Let me know if you are able to see. And the last thing is code is running but not see output. Where was equal true? Yeah. Now last thing is first of all, tell me. I hope everyone able to understand. Everyone able to understand how AI agent what is agentic AI, and how it is working, properly. Correct, right? Everyone able to understand? Say yes, 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 yes. Everyone able to understand? Now you understood about the what is Crew AI, what is Gemini model, and what is the Serper tool, right? What is the difference between these three also you understood, right? Very good. And you understood about the code also. Code part also everyone able to understood. Code part also able to understood. That is also good. Only the last result part. The last result part only we are failing. We are failing. No problem. It will happen. It will happen. It will happen. Not a problem. That is not a problem. But many people, no, some people, not many, some people, some students are able to see the output. Some students are able to see the output. See the output. So the code we don't have any problem. The code is absolutely perfect. Code is absolutely perfect because everyone has typed the same code, right? Everyone here use the same code. So we are not getting, we are getting because of the Gemini key. Because of the Gemini key. So next class we will try the Llama model. The next class we will try the Llama model. So if you want to the stay updates with the workshops, you always connect with our group, our community group. And last and final, I hope you enjoy the session, right? Say yes, ma. Everyone able to enjoy the session? You feel like some good session is happened? Hands on, everyone. Now, what is your job is? What is your job is? You need to encourage me. Encourage me. My students, my strength, so that I can come with the two things. One is you need to be comment and like from the YouTube video. I will share the link, and this is the way only I can reach to many people. I can reach to many people, many students. Not I, your Omkar sir. Okay, your Omkar sir can reach to many people. Is just one comment and one like. And next class, I will come with one of the good use case. Come with one of the good use case, and we will definitely use that working code, working output, working model, working model, working model. YouTube link is already going on, but I will share in my community. Okay, that link. I'll share with the community link. Notes also will share. Notes also will share. And yesterday class also will share that. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will share the thing. Please join in the community group so that you will get the YouTube link also. Get the YouTube link. And materials also will share. PPT and code and everything I will share in the community. So please spread this community to everyone so that those who are interested, they can join our community group. And little disappointment because the first time I'm not able to show the output. I don't know how it has happened because there's a paid one. But the little happy thing is many people are able to see the answers. I hope you don't mind that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you for the next class.